if you need to go to a specific column in Power Query, there is a nice tool. You just need to go into the View tab and then click on this Go to Column, and you can see all the list of the columns, and you can even search for a specific column, let's say CD underscore, and then you can see days below 0C tag, and click on this. It will take you to that particular column. And I really like this particular feature in Power Query, and hoping that we have a similar feature in Excel inbuilt. But we don't have that one, so that's why I built a specific user form, my custom built user form that will help me to go a specific column. So let me show you. I just go into this my adding tab, and then I can just select this navigator, column navigator, and you can see it just shows me that I have 208 columns, and this is a table, so I have a table list, right? And I can just search for any column. So CD, and you can see underscore. If you look into this, it doesn't show me that CD underscore once only, and that is because this search feature is flexible enough, so it will find anything that has C, D, and underscore in a sequential order. Okay, so let's say if I just search for HD 35, and you can see it's super flexible. So I have HD and 35C. So if I just use C and underscore and M, then it will show me that mean one. So this search is way more flexible than the Power Query search, and it's really helpful when you need to find a specific column from a long list of columns. And even it's like, it just have a scroll capacity, so you can scroll to this particular list, and this is really helpful. So let's say if I just select this, it will take me to that particular row 7, into that particular column. And if I just choose full column, then it will just select the full column. That's it.